Hey there, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Myself Agneva Maiti, back with another YouTube video. So today what we'll be discussing is a very common doubt which most of the students have. Like I've dealt with many students in our WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups and our demo sessions as well. The doubt being a aspiring candidate, how many forms should one fill? So if we move on further with our YouTube video, I would like to tell you all about our demo sessions which we conduct frequently, free of cost, free demo sessions for you all, so that you can join and get all your doubts cleared. If you don't know about it, do join our demo sessions groups, the links to which will be given down in the description below. Moving forward with the video, first of all I would like to tell you all that being a cadet myself, being a student myself back when I was preparing for IMUCET and sponsorship, me and my friends who all were preparing for this, we all filled form of every possible company in which we were eligible. Being a less PCM candidate, I was eligible for hardly 6 to 7 companies, out of which around 3 I cleared and 2 or 3 I didn't appear for the interview due to some reasons. But yes, I filled the form of every single company I was eligible for. The same my friends did. That is my first suggestion. Now I know most of y'all having the same mentality like me will most probably be thinking ki sir, we should fill the forms of external companies, right? Yes, the first preference should be given to external form links, but at the same time I would also suggest you to fill the forms of IMI, TMI, AMET and good colleges like these. Why? Because companies like Tom Tankers, Scorpio Marine Group, PIL, Dockendale, also we had MMSI this time in AMET for February batch. You should fill these forms of these colleges to appear for these internal companies. And a quick update about MMSI, this February around 12 students were selected for MMSI through AMET, out of which 9 were from budding mariners. The whole sponsorship process, the interviews, the written examinations, IMUCET, everything starts with form filling. That is why we all tell you all, form filling is a very crucial stage and you should take it very seriously and fill it promptly. And in my opinion, as already discussed, you should fill every company and college's form as well. Now coming to the last segment of this video, if you all have any doubts regarding Synergy Marine Group's sponsorship test, interviews, IMUCET pattern or anything, do let us know in the comments down below, and also we'll be providing you all with a form link. And I'll tell you, it is free of cost call assistance from our budding mariners team. Mentors like me, Swatanju sir, Rishikesh, we all are people from budding mariners who have a good amount of exposure and experience about these IMUCET and sponsorship tests. So I would recommend you all do fill the form and contact us, and we will surely help you all to clear your doubts. That will be it for today. Thank you and have a good day.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.